Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law of Legal podcast. This edition, we're looking at a taxation issue in a state. So the name of the case is Morley versus Director Division of Taxation. The court held the net proceeds recovered on a survival claim were included in the value of the estate for the estate tax purposes. So here the parties both move for summary judgment in an action filed by the plaintiff to challenge the imposition of estate tax on the award obtained in a survival action brought by plaintiff on behalf of the decedent's estate. Basically wrongful death. The decedent died in an explosion caused when the utility workers performing maintenance on underground electrical lines in front of decedent's home accidentally struck a gas line. Specifically challenging the tax division, a plaintiff sought to challenge the Division of Taxation's valuation of the award to be included in the estate for taxation purposes. Under the old estate tax statute, the amount taxable to the estate was equivalent to the value of the asset as of the date of decedent's death. The plaintiff, victim's attorney, argued that the amount of the survival claim should be equal to the value of the claim on the day of the decedent's passing. The plaintiff presented an expert valuation report that opined that the value of the survival claim on the date of decedent's death was $2,690,000. However, the division argued that the amount included for estate tax purposes was the total net proceeds recovered by the estate. The plaintiff had settled the decedent's survival claim for the net recovery of over $6.7 million. In support of its argument, the taxation division cited inheritance tax regulations, which required any sums recovered under the New Jersey Death Act to be included in the value of a decedent's estate. The tax court agreed with the division's argument and granted summary judgment in its favor. The tax court ruled that both the estate tax statute and the transfer inheritance statute should be read together because such statutes concern the same subject matter, namely the taxable value of the decedent's estate. The court agreed with the division that the transfer inheritance tax statute defined the date of death value of a survival claim as the when the money was recovered by the estate, not on the date of death. The tax court therefore ruled that the net proceeds recovered by the plaintiff in the settlement should all be included in the value of the decedent's estate for estate tax purposes. And again, that's like Morley, executor of the estate of Linda Saratelli versus Director Division of Taxation. For more information on inheritance tax, estate tax, and probate, visit website NJLaws.com. For representation in probate and estate matters, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison, New Jersey at 732-572-0500. Thank you. Have a great week.